How to fix YouTube something went wrong error. The first thing to check is whether YouTube app itself is down. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to your browser, you're going to go to downdetector.com, and then you're going to search YouTube from here. So you're just going to tap on a search bar, you're going to search for YouTube, and if thousands of users are reporting issues simultaneously, the problem is on Google servers and no amount of troubleshooting on your end will fix it. Just wait for 15 to 30 minutes and then try again. Now, if YouTube's servers are fine, then what you're going to have to do is you're just going to clear the app cache immediately. So if you're using Android, just go to your settings, apps, YouTube search, and then tap clear cache. But on iPhone, you're going to have to offload the app. So what you're going to do is you're just going to tap on settings. From here, you're going to tap on general and then click on iPhone storage. From here, you're going to tap on the search bar at the bottom, and then from here, you're going to search for YouTube. You're going to tap on offload app, and then once you have it offloaded, you're just going to reinstall it from the App Store. A corrupted cache is the single most common cause of this error on mobile. Now, if this still doesn't work, what you're going to do next is you're going to check on your internet connection. So we're just going to head back, and then from here, you're going to just tap on a Wi-Fi. If your connection is unstable or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, YouTube will throw this error mid-session. Toggle airplane mode on and off to force your phone to reestablish a clean connection, then reopen YouTube. Now, if the error persists after all of the above, sign out of your YouTube account completely, force close the app, reopen it, and sign back in. So what you're going to do is you're just going to pull up, and then from here, you're just going to close the YouTube app, and then you can just reopen it once again. And that's how you're going to fix YouTube something went wrong error.